Hello everyone, this is Indu. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, we will cover very important question, that is what is the inheritance. So it's a very important question in .NET interview. So let's start. Firstly, we can click on the create a new project. Then we take a console app, click on console app and click on next. After that, we can give a like console app name. Here we can give the name. Firstly, we can complete the single inheritance, that is the first type of inheritance demo, and click on next. Here we can using a framework latest, that is .NET 8.0. It's a also important question like which version we are using. We are using .NET 8.0 and click on create. So firstly we can see what is the definition of inheritance. What is the inheritance? Tense in C sharp. Sorry. And so inheritance means one class can use the properties and methods of the another class. And you can think like that a child inherits the multiple qualities like eyes, habits, skills from their parents. Similarly, in here, a child class inherits the data and behavior from the parent class. So here we can write inheritance means one class use the properties and methods of another class, and another class. Second point, it allows you to reuse code, reuse reuse existing code instead of writing again and again. So in today video we will cover what is the single inheritance. First, what is the single inheritance in Trisha? So that class only one parent and one child, that is a single inheritance. So one parent class, a class, and only one child class is called single inheritance. And the child class, also called a drive class, inherits the properties and method from the parent class, that also called a base class. The child class, also called the drive class, inherits the properties and methods of the parent class, also called the base class. So let's start to make a program to use a single inheritance. Firstly, we are using a right using system. using system. So, so it's also very important question in .NET interview, that is why we use a using keyword. Why we use using keyword. So we are using this keyword to import the namespaces and to remove the unmanaged resources. And after that, we can give here namespace. We can give the program name, single inheritance demo, any name you can give here. And after that, we can take a class animal. For example, we are taking class animal. Here we can take a method public void it. We can make this method, and here we can write simply console.writeLine animal can eat, like this. After that, we can take a new class, that is dog. Class dog, and here we can inherit the animal. Here we can make a method public void console.writeLine. Here we can write dog can walk. So this is a drive class. This is a drive class, and this is a base class. This is the base. And next, after that, we can make a main program. Class program static void main. Firstly, here we can create the object of the child class. Okay, so our child class is which one? Our child class is dog. So we can write here dog. So here we can create the object of dog class and call the method from parent, that is dog dot eat, that we make in the parent class. You can see here we can make a eat method. So firstly we can call the method eat. After that we can call the method that is we are making. So firstly I can write here comment so you can easily understand. Create object of child class first, and then we call method from parent class, and then here call method from child class, Here we are going dog dot var. So like that way we can achieve a single inheritance. So you can see the output. So you can see here output animal can eat and dog can bark. So this is the simple example of single inheritance. I hope you can understand this video and this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.